So guys, manguha na naman tayo ng tilapia. Papanain lang natin para mabilis tayo makakuha. Ayan o. Boom. Two. One hit. Two fish.
Fish?
Yeah, I have a fish.
Wow, good catching, Papa.
Thank you. 4 points, guys. Look. Yeesh. Laki na pala. Oh. Malaki na, guys. Matanda na yung huli natin ah. Wow.